Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question 38 from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question goes like this. A wall mounted lamp made of fabric is shown below. Lamp has cuboidal shape, open from top and bottom. A spherical bulb of diameter 7 cm is latched with a very thin rod. Ignore the rod while making calculations. Dimensions of the cuboid are 24 cm by 12 cm by 17 cm. Question 1. Find the surface area of the bulb. The bulb is spherical in shape, so surface area of the bulb is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into 22 by 7, and r is 7 upon 2. On simplifying, we get 154 centimeter square. Question 2. What could be the maximum diameter of the bulb if at least 1 centimeter space is left from each side? The dimensions of the cuboidal shade are: length is 24 centimeter, height is 17 centimeter, and width is 12 centimeter. We are asked to leave 1 centimeter on each side. So the effective length after reducing that 2 centimeter will be 22 centimeter, and effective height will be 15 centimeter, and effective width will be 10 centimeter. Out of these three, we have to choose the dimension for the bulb. Suppose we choose a bulb of diameter either 22 centimeter or 15 centimeter. It won't fit in width-wise because width is only 12 centimeter. So 22 centimeter diameter and 15 centimeter diameter is not at all possible. So only possible option is a bulb of diameter 10 centimeter. So maximum diameter of the bulb is 10 centimeter. Question number 3 part A. Find the area of the fabric used if there is a fold of 2 centimeter on top and bottom edges. For the sake of folding, we have to give a 2 centimeter margin above and 2 centimeter margin below. Length is not getting affected by this, and the width is also not getting affected by this. Only the height changes. The height of the shade now becomes 17 plus 2 plus 2, which is 21 centimeter. To find the area of the fabric used, we have to calculate the curved surface area of this lampshade. This lampshade is open from top also and bottom also, so we don't consider those two surfaces. So CSA of this lampshade will be 2 times BH plus HL, which is 2 times the breadth is 12 and the height is 21 plus 21 into 24. Twice 756 gives us 1512 centimeter square. So the area of the fabric required is 1512 centimeter square. The B part of the third question, find the space available inside the lamp. That is, the question is asking us to calculate the volume of the space inside the lampshade. Volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Length is 24, breadth is 12, and the height is only 17. On multiplying, we get 4896 centimeter cube. That is, the space available inside the lamp is 4896 centimeter cube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.